Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to share a printer with other computers on your network using Windows 11. This is super handy if you have one printer but multiple devices at home or in a small office. Let's get started by making sure the printer is properly connected and installed on the main computer. This is the computer that will be sharing the printer with others. Now click on the Start menu and open Settings. From the left-hand panel, select Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Printers and Scanners. You should see your printer listed there. If it's not, make sure it's powered on and connected either by USB or Wi-Fi depending on your setup. Next, click on the name of your printer. A new window will open. Scroll down and click on Printer Properties, not just Properties. Make sure it's Printer Properties. In the Properties window, switch to the Sharing tab. Then check the box that says Share this printer. You can change the share name if you want, but keep it simple so it's easy to recognize on other devices. You can also check the box that says Render print jobs on client computers. This is optional, but usually a good idea for performance. Click Apply, then OK. Boom! Your printer is now shared and visible to other computers on the same local network. Now let's go to the second computer, the one that wants to access this shared printer. Go to Bluetooth and Devices and again select Printers and Scanners. Now click Add Device at the top. Windows will scan for available printers. If the shared printer shows up here, just click on it and follow the steps to install it. It will automatically connect using the shared printer driver. If it doesn't appear in the list, don't worry, scroll down and click on Add Manually. Now choose the option that says Select a shared printer by name. In the box, type the path to the shared printer. It usually looks like double backslash, then the name of the computer that's sharing it, another backslash, and then the printer name. For example, /main PC/HP printer. Click Next and Windows will try to connect to that printer. If everything is set up correctly, it will ask you to install the driver. Just click Install Driver if prompted. After a few seconds, the printer will be added to the list and ready to use. You can print a test page to make sure everything is working properly. And that's it. You have just shared your printer with another computer in Windows 11. Now everyone on the same network can print without needing to move files around. If you run into any problems, double check that both computers are on the same network and that network discovery and file sharing are turned on in the advanced sharing settings. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows tips, and let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.